over 50 and wondering how to stay active without overdoing it? Cause you're not alone. Many people worrying about how to maintain their fitness as they age. In today's video, I'm going to show you simple, effective exercises that will help you stay fit and energized no matter your age. We all know as we age, maintaining mobility and strength becomes even more crucial. So whether you're just starting out or trying to stay active, these exercises are perfect for you. By the end of this video, you'll feel ready to improve your flexibility, strength, and balance, all while feeling young and full of energy. Staying active is so important, especially as we age. Keeping moving can improve your posture, help you maintain your independence, and prevent falls. You'll also notice better balance and reduced aches and pains. I once had a client, John, who was in his late 60s. John told me he felt like his balance was getting worse, and he was afraid of falling. After just a few months of incorporating regular exercises, like the ones I'm about to show you, John's confidence improved, and he even ditched his walking stick. Let's be honest, none want to tumble. Okay, before we jump into the exercises, we got to warm up those joints to prevent injuries. No one likes warm-ups, but trust me, they're essential. Let's start with something simple, like arm circles. Give your shoulders a nice little spin, and don't forget those ankles. Ankle rolls are great for loosening up those joints before any movement. Research actually shows that warming up reduces the chance of muscle pain. The strengthening exercises, these are especially important for keeping your muscles strong and functional. Start with one of my favorites, chair squats. Chair squats are great because they target your leg muscles and improve balance. All you need is a sturdy chair. You sit down, then stand back up. Nice and controlled. It's like practicing getting out of a chair, but with a purpose. And for upper body strength, wall push-ups are a fantastic option. Just lean against the wall, push yourself away, and repeat. It's perfect for anyone, regardless of fitness level. Flexibility and balance exercises. These help prevent falls and keep your body limber. Let's try a seated hamstring stretch. Just sit down, stretch one leg out in front of you, and reach for your toes. Another exercise for balance is standing on one leg. Use a wall or chair for support if needed. Improving your balance helps you feel steadier on your feet, which is a major confidence booster. Now, let's finish with a cool down. Stretching helps relax the muscles and reduces any soreness that might sneak up on you tomorrow. Try a gentle seated stretch. Don't forget about deep breathing exercises. These are fantastic for calming the mind and body after a workout. Take a deep breath in and out to relax and mental clarity. If you found these exercises helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more fitness tips.